channel Paramedical Stream. Today we'll discuss about the respiratory system. Mostly respiratory system include these parts: nose, nostril, pharynx, tracheal tree, and the last lungs. Nose and nostrils filter the air and it keeps the warm air. Pharynx connects the nose and mouth. Pharynx connects the nose and the mouth. Larynx contain the vocal cords. Larynx is also larynx helps for the speech, so it helps in the production of a speech. Tracheal tree, here it is a thyroid gland. The tracheal, this is a tracheal tree. This is a trachea. Trachea bifurcate into a right and a left tracheal tree. It is a right bronchus, and it is a left bronchus. The again bronchus divides into many bronchioles. So these small branches are the bronchioles. These are the right bronchioles, these are the left bronchioles. Next, they enter into a small pouches called as the alveoli. So here the alveoli has a air sacs. Alveoli has a air sacs where the exchange of a gases takes place. So mostly the exchange of gases, the entry of oxygen and the removal of carbon dioxide mostly occur in the alveoli. This is the function of the alveoli. This is a right lung. This is a right lung and this is a left lung. Right lung has a 3 lobes. It has a 3 lobes. Left lung has a 2 lobes. It is a upper lobe, middle lobe and a lower lobe. In left it has a 2 lobes, upper lobe and a lower lobe. Upper for the right lung is somewhat upside than the left because here we have a liver. So as the liver is situated under the right lung is upside, and in left side we have a heart. So here left lung has the notch for the this notch is covered by the heart. So these are the parts of the lungs. And lungs are surrounded by a cavity. Lungs are surrounded by a pleural cavity. So this is a double layer. Pleura is a double. Lungs are covered by a double layer membrane, which is a pleura, which has a pleural cavity. So here we have a pleural cavity. Inside the pleural cavity we have a pleura. This lubricates the lung and it gives a protection from the outer surface to the lungs. And also we have a diaphragm here. We have a diaphragm below our lungs. It supports for the ventilation process. It contracts and relax during the respiration. So diaphragm, we have a diaphragm just under the lungs for the which helps in the respiration process. Influx blood supply is done by the pulmonary arteries and the pulmonary vein. Mostly arteries supply the oxygenated blood. This is the exception where the pulmonary artery supplies the deoxygenated blood. It takes the blood from the left side of the heart and it enter into the lungs where the exchange of gas occur in the alveoli. Again through a pulmonary vein it enter into the left side of the heart. So here pulmonary vein supplies the oxygenated blood, pulmonary artery supplies the deoxygenated blood. Next we'll come to the nerve supply. Nerve supply is done by the parasympathetic and sympathetic nerves. And also by the pulmonary plexus. This is about the nerve supply. Next we have some functions of the lung. Gas exchange. I have said about the gas exchange. Gas exchange, it takes the carbon dioxide out and it exhales the carbon dioxide out and it inhales the oxygen. So for the exchange of oxygen and the carbon dioxide, for pH regulation, it maintain the it maintain the pH level. pH regulation is maintained by inhaling and exhaling of the carbon dioxide and the oxygen. Next, it acts as a immune. The nostrils and the nose, it inhales the, when it inhales air, it gives the protection and it removes the bacteria from the air and it makes the air fresh to inhale. So immune system by the nose and the nostrils, as it remove the foreign particles to prevent the infection. Next, we have a gas exchange lubricant. It acts as a lubricant. Pleura, which is surrounded by the lungs, act as a lubricant. It gives the protection to the lung. These are some functions of a lung. Functions of a lung, we have a gas exchange where carbon dioxide and oxygen exchange, and a pH regulation and immune system and a lubricant agent. Protective system. Pleura act as a protective system. And we have some pathological conditions. Which include pneumonia. Pneumonia is a acute stage which causes the infection to the lungs, and asthma, COPD. These are the chronic diseases which cause the inflammation of the lung tissues. And we have a lung cancer, where due to the carcinogenic activity, the inflammation of the lung increases and it leads to the cancer. And pulmonary embolism. Pulmonary embolism is a stage where the blood clots here. If there is a formation of the clots in the blood vessels or trees, it leads to the pulmonary embolism and interstitial lung disease. So these are some pathological conditions which lead to the infection of the lung. Pneumonia, asthma, COPD, lung cancer, pulmonary embolism and the interstitial lung disease. So these are some pathological conditions of the lung. So in this class we have discussed the branches of the respiratory system and structure of the respiratory system, which include the lobes, tracheal tree, larynx, and the blood supply and the nerve supply and the functions, and some pathological conditions. This is about the lungs. In next class we'll discuss a new topic, and I'm trying even to provide a notes for the topics which I am discussing in our channel. So I'll try to give a notes of a lungs which gives the better result for gives the better and which helps more for the students for the study material. And please share, like and subscribe to our channel Paramedical STEM. Thank you.